Okay, so basically what I'm doing is making a cauliflower dish. All you do is 2 cauliflower, you just boil it. Of course you cut off the end parts before you start boiling it. Boil it for like less than 8 minutes with some salt in the water. On the stove is some half and half with some onions. I put some real bacon pieces, uncured. I'm actually going to add the cheese, and you want to make sure that your stove is on low when you're doing this. So this is the half and half already in here. I have it on like the low, like very low flame. I'm gonna add the cheese. And this is Parmesan cheese. Got this from Kroger. I want it to be really cheesy. I'm gonna finish this pack that I had from previous. Nothing goes to waste. Just gonna put a little bit more cheese on here. So, and if you have too much that's left over, it's okay. All you have to do is just store it until like you're ready to do like some pasta and just make some cream Alfredo with your pasta. Just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Although I already sauteed it with the onions, just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm gonna top it off with some, any type of white wine is fine. I just had this in the fridge. I'm just gonna add some white wine to it. You don't have to if you don't want to. Now remember, this is going to go into the oven. I'm going to add some black pepper. Again, this is my pure ground black pepper. So this is the cauliflower. I've already boiled it. Like I said, I put it in some salt water on the stove for less than 10 minutes. because you don't want it too soft. This is like the texture that you want. Because remember, it still has to go into the oven. So instead of just wasting it, I'm gonna eat it. Now, what I'm going to do is pour this over. So what I want to do is if you find that some of the chunks are a little too chunky, you can just take the spoon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top this off with some cheese. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of bacon bits. And then I'm going to top this off with some Italian breadcrumbs on the top. I just bought this, so... Oh, I was having a difficult time. So this is Italian breadcrumbs, okay? I guess this is Aaliyah's best taste ever. I don't know. So. So I'm going to preheat this in the oven. You don't have to add the breadcrumbs if this is not something. I'm just doing this because I thought about it. Somebody probably already did this, but I thought about it and I said, I want a little crunch to it. Now I already have my oven heat to 350 and I'm going to put this in the oven. This should be in the oven for under 20 minutes. It should not take that long to do what it needs to do, and then I'll be back. So here is the finish. Oh, this looks so good. I can't wait to plate it. All right, I'll show you guys my plating. I actually did some baked turkey wings with chicken wings also added to it. So we're going to have this for dinner. Thank you. Please click the subscribe button and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Bye.